In terms of what I learned about composite layering on Dipesh Parmar's course is, I always thought sort of the layers you guess and you become better with time and with skill, which is definitely true. But what I've really learned is that Dipesh is very meticulous in how he layers, and he uses exact increments and exact sort of proportions to really get the restoration finished in a really lifelike manner. The layering of the enamel layers, so Dipesh says it always has to be 0.5 millimeters or around that sort of measurement. So I could see how long he actually takes to do that layer of composite, for example, and that gives the restoration real lifelike look. I would have always thought, Dipesh would, with his experience, would have done it so quickly and efficiently, and he has done it efficiently, but he really took his time to shape the restoration to look just right. And another thing was, very useful thing was as well, that he shapes most of the restoration before he cures it, so that there is minimal finishing and polishing and hacking away at the tooth. So you already end up with quite a nice result once you've set your composite.